Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making whole seeded mustard. You'll need 2.5 cups of apple cider vinegar, 1.5 cups of water, 1 cup of yellow mustard seeds, 1 cup of brown mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard powder, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and a tablespoon of brown sugar. Start by adding the mustard seeds, mustard powder, salt, sugar and chili flakes together and combine. Now add the water and apple cider vinegar. Remember to mix well. Cover the mixture and leave it in a cool, dry place for 24 hours. Using a blender or stick blender, process the mixture until coarsely ground and place into sterilized jars. The mustard should keep for up to 6 months if stored in the refrigerator. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like or subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching!